Hello everyone, this is Moumita. Welcome all of you to my channel. Today I am going to discuss with you the chapter motivation. So what is motivation? Motivation is actually something which drives us, which enables us, which pulls us to make something, to do something, to feel something. That is the motivation which motivates us actually. So it comes from the move here, Latin word move here. Move here means move here, it comes from move here. Move here means movement of activity. Actually motivation, something which motivates us to do something, that is called motivation. Okay, so that is the introduction. And the nature means motivation is actually we behave differently in different manners, in different situations. So it is the actually determinants of our behavior. Okay, that is the nature of motivation. There are two types of motivation. One is biological or physiological and another is psychosocial. Biological motivation means where our body is involved. The process involves the biological functions, where our body motivates us to eat, to drink, to do sex. These are called biological motivation. Here is a cycle, the motivation cycle, that is also called self motivation. This is also called self motivation. First, need. When there is need drives us to fulfill that need. When there is drive, there is a arousal. That means we become active to fulfill the need. Then goal directed behavior, that is the behavior according to our need. And then achievement happens. When our behavior is the goal directed, will be the goal directed, then we will able to achieve something. And when achievement happens, then reduction of arousal, that means then necessary of need decreases. Okay, that is the cycle of motivation cycle. Now come to the biological motivation, that is also called physiological motivation. One example is a condition of hungerness. When we feel hungry, then we eat. So our body motivates us to eat in some condition, like our stored protein or fat decreases, glucose in blood also decreases, stomach is empty. In this condition, our metabolic liver's function, metabolic pathways of liver alters. Then liver signals our brain to eat. Actually our brain particularly hypothalamus is involved in this feeling. Hypothalamus, there are 2 points. One is lateral hypothalamus and another is ventromedial hypothalamus. Lateral hypothalamus is involved to activate the feeling of hunger. When we eat, actually, when we feel that we are hungry, but ventromedial hypothalamus, that regulates the lateral hypothalamus, how much we will eat, so that it prevents us from obesity or from many other diseases. So this is the feeling when our body needs food, when we have to eat, and it activates and the hypothalamus signals our body or us to eat something. But VMH, ventromedial hypothalamus, regulates lateral hypothalamus after some time that you have to stop eating. You are fulfilled. Okay, so that is the condition of hunger. Another example of biological motivation is thirst. When we become thirsty, when we feel that we have to drink water or any other fluids. Here is also a complex mechanism involved, like when we urinates, do not drink water or any fluid for long time, when we perspirate much, wandering in sunny weather. So in many conditions our body becomes dehydrated. Okay, in that condition our body's fluid becomes lesser, the amount, and in that condition the fluid from our cells comes out to our body fluid to coincide that condition. So in this condition the plasmolysis of cells occurs, that is cells fluid comes out and cell becomes, the volume of cells decreases. This is called plasmolysis of cells. Okay, so when body of cells decreases, when volume of cells decreases, then it sends a signal to our brain. Here is also hypothalamus involved. Anterior hypothalamus specifically there is a point, that is the osmoreceptor. Osmo, which controls osmosis. Osmoreceptor motivates our body to drink some fluid or drink water. So thirst is also a biological motivation where our body motivates to drink. Another example of biological motivation is sex. When we feel the desire of sex, sex is not, here hunger and thirst is the survival motivation. These motivation are for survival reason, but sex is not the survival motivation. But here body is also involved. How this happens, how this desire occurs, how the body motivates us to do sex. Here some hormones are involved that circulates in our blood. In case of male there are testosterone, and in case of female these hormones are estrogen and progesterone. And some glands are also involved like pituitary and adrenal gland. So these summatively motivates our body to feel the desire of sex. Also some external factors also there, which like stimulation, external stimulation is also there to feel the desire of sex. These are biological motivation. So today's topic is up to this, and psychosocial motivation I will discuss this either in Hindi or English to the next class. This topic is not like direct question answer type topic. Here this is actually the conceptual topic. 2 or 3 questions will be provided, so you have to choose more than one options from there. So this is if you have the clear concept about the topic, then you can do any questions. Okay, so if you have enjoyed the video, then please like and share, and if you are new viewer to my channel, then please subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day.